Okay, so we're at the Kempinski Mahe in Seychelles, room 616, which is a hill view room, which I guess is a standard view room, standard room rather. So you can see it's quite nice. Bathroom there with a nice walk-in shower. Coffee making machine and some water and things. They provide a few bits of water and soft drinks free at the start of the holiday, which is good. There's a mini bar in there. Nice bed, quite comfortable. And a separate sitting area down here. TV up there, which is quite good because it's got various bits of information about the hotel. You can view your bill, that kind of thing. And then if we go outside, so they call it a hill view for some reason, but it's really I would say a lake view. So you've got a kind of lake there, some fish in it, some of the Seychelles granite rocks up there. Chair or two there, a couple of chairs, there we go, and a table. It's quite a nice room for a standard room. This sofa thing is great because it's really long. You've got another little table there. It's a bit of fruit that they provided along with some sparkling wine for us because it's our anniversary last week. So there we go.